Magec Cream, often sold as Magic Collagen, Fullerene, or Neck Cream, is marketed as a powerful anti-aging solution that tightens skin, boosts collagen, and removes wrinkles. But the real question is, does it actually deliver real results, or is it just another overhyped skincare product? What the marketing gets right. Contains common skincare ingredients. Magec-style creams usually include collagen hydration support, peptides, skin conditioning, moisturizers, and oils. These can improve skin hydration, make skin look smoother temporarily. So it's not completely fake. It can function as a basic moisturizer, may give temporary firming effect. Hydrating creams can plump the skin slightly, reduce the appearance of fine lines temporarily. This is a cosmetic effect, not actual structural change, where it falls apart. Collagen-boosting claims are misleading. Here's the key issue. Topical collagen does not penetrate deeply enough to rebuild skin structure. It mainly sits on the surface and hydrates. So claims like restore collagen or lift sagging skin are exaggerated. No strong clinical evidence. Unlike dermatologist-backed products, Magec creams don't show verified clinical trials, don't have strong published research. Most claims rely on marketing, not science. Generic product plus rebranding pattern. Magec creams are often sold under different names, found on multiple low-trust sites, packaged similarly across listings. This is typical of mass-produced, rebranded skincare products. So, does Magec Cream actually work? Short answer, only on the surface level. You might get hydration, slight smoothing effect. You will not get real lifting, collagen rebuilding, or wrinkle removal. Bottom line, Magec Cream isn't necessarily a complete scam, but it's heavily overhyped. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.